Do subscribe our Technoguruclass channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hello friends, this is Ritesh. Welcome to our Technoguruclass channel and to the Python series for beginners. Here in this point of tutorial, I'll cover entirely something about print statement. Okay, uh, I know it's quite, a simple concept, but still, I will tell you something about more in this. So, print, how we can use print statement over here. In Python 3, we are using Python 3 version over here. So you can see in Python you're using print command. So here you should have brackets over here like this as you're using version 3. Okay, so suppose you want to display something over here. So let's say uh, welcome to Techno Guru. And if you press enter, you can see this entire thing. What you wrote inside double inverted comma has passed in print will be displayed as it is. Okay. The same thing you can write one more way, that is in single quotes as well. So if you write the same statement in Techno Guru, but this time it's in single quotes, still the output is going to be same over here. Okay. um, One more thing I'll just show you. Let's say I have one variable and I have initialized some value to that variable. Okay, and I'll just try to display that value. How I will display? So if you just simply pass a in that, so that I can display directly, whereas you know that if you directly write a, still you get that output, but you can use print command as well. Okay, so let's see combination of this both things I will try. Like if I want to display this both things, let's say the value is, and I want to display that value. So um, that another value I want to display, value is a basically. So I'll write comma and then I'll write the variable name. Unlike Java, we use comma over here, because you know in Java we use basically plus symbol, but here it's not like that. We have to use comma. Okay, so if you press enter, you can see this value is displayed over here. Okay, uh, quite few interesting things I'll tell you. Let's see if I write something over here. Let's say hello plus. You can use plus symbol when you are adding to it string variables. Okay, or you can see string data. So hello Hitesh. If I write the statement, you can see we have used plus symbol over here. If you press enter, you can see this at this moment of time we can use plus. Okay, so this plus is basically working as an operator, you can say. Okay, so one more statement I'll show you. This hello Hitesh I can write with the help of comma as well. Okay, so I have just used comma and hello Hitesh. So you'll find some difference between this plus and comma over here. If you just press enter, you can see here you are getting one extra space, but whereas you're not getting space over here. So this is the key difference basically. Okay, I'll just show you one more thing. I'll just write something over here. Hello, and let's say I try to display this variable called a. Okay, and if I just try to display this, you can see you will definitely get one error. Okay, so that is something we cannot do. Must be string, not integer. That means this must be string basically, then only it is possible to add it. So this was quite basic. Now um, let's do little more tricky in that. Okay, so let's say I write something in double inverted comma. So let's say one statement I'll write um, hello Java. Okay, so sorry, and not yet Java. We are doing Python over here. So let's say I'm using Python. Hello Python. Okay, suppose you want to display this thing in double inverted comma. Okay, so but you know there is some problem over here, like this starts from here and this double inverted closes over here. It indicates something kind of that way. So one change you can do is at that this moment of time you can just do one thing. You can just use some something like single inverted comma. Okay, so now you can see this way. Even you can do vice versa, like if you want to display Python in single quotes, so that moment of time what you can do is you can just write this entire thing in double quotes, and you can just write your Python in single quotes. Okay, but putting everything in double inverted comma will not work. Okay, so this is something tricky. But suppose you want like you want to display you want to write this double inverted comma here as well and here. If you want to, then you can do some trick in that also. So here I can write hello Python. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll just put double inverted comma here and here, but you know this is something which is not acceptable. Okay, so what you can do is you can just put one slash before this double inverted comma. That means this will be considered as escape character. Even here you can just put one slash, so that means this will be considered as a normal character instead of having some special character which indicates for a string. Okay, so this will be considered as a normal character if you put this slash over here. So if you just press enter, you can see this can be done. So you saw over here we did slash and double inverted comma. So there are quite few things over here. I'll just show you. We can write slash double inverted comma. We can write slash single inverted. We can write double slash. We can write slash. Yeah, this much. And there are some more escape sequences that you can do. Slash n, slash t. These are also some you can say escape characters. Okay, so these are also the part of escape character. You know why? Because this is considered as something um, special meaning. That's the reason. Okay, I'll just minimize this. Okay, I'll show you something about that slash n over here. So let's show you what is slash n. Suppose I write something over here, hello, and I just put slash n. I n. I'll write Hitesh. Okay, so this is what I wrote. Okay, I'll just press enter. You can see what happens. Okay, why you know how why I got this extra space over here, because after slash n I have given one space. Okay, so if you just want to complete this, hello Hitesh, very cool. Okay, this is the way. Okay, and that way you can use slash t as well. What I'll just do is just copy and paste, and here I will put t for your understanding. So if I press enter, you can see hello Hitesh is has been displayed over here. So guys, this way we can use print commands. This much only. If you'll find something in this new, if I skipped something, don't worry, I'll uh, cover that in my entire series. Don't worry about it. But stay tuned, keep watching my further videos as well. Thank you so much.